How to fix Microsoft Store not opening. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Microsoft Store not opening. So to get started, go ahead and reset the Microsoft Store cache. Click on Win R on your keyboard. And then from here, go ahead and enter ws reset.exe. And then click on the OK button. A blank command prompt will appear for 10 seconds and then close automatically. The Microsoft Store should reopen afterward. Another thing you should watch out is to check your date, time, and region settings. So, incorrect system time or region can block the store. So, go ahead and open settings on your Windows device. And then on settings, head over into the time and language tab, and then head over into the date and time. And then in here, go ahead and enable set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Also check region settings under language and region. And the last thing you need to do is to go ahead and update your Windows. So head over into the Windows update and then go ahead and click on update at the right side if there are updates. So install any pending updates. Older builds may not support the store properly. And that is how you can basically fix Microsoft Store not opening.